Alright, so we have an LG dryer and we're going to be installing the belt. So first things first, once the drum is in, go ahead and make sure that the belt is fully placed on the drum. Make sure that the rib side is facing the drum. So it's the softer, it's the rubber portion of the belt. Make sure it's facing the drum. Alright, so now you're going to be getting the belt on. Make sure the belt is not twisted. If it is twisted, as soon as you put it on, it will come right off. And just pay attention and get it over the motor pulley and double check your work. You can slowly rotate the drum just to make sure that everything is nice and rotating smoothly. And that covers that. Thanks for watching.